Ever since I come back from Vietnam, back to Sweden, I realized my hair is very dry and frizzy. I want to do something about it. Most keratin treatments are loaded with chemicals that can damage your hair. I found out on the internet that you could actually DIY a keratin treatment at home, and I'm really excited to try it out. To make this natural keratin, we need banana and coconut oil. Banana contains silica. It helps to strengthen and smoothen hair strand, dehydrate dry hair, and improve elasticity. It contains vitamin A, B, C, and E, which support hair shine and health, whereas the coconut oil is for extra shine. I pour them in a bowl and then add some honey. This is to lock the moisture from the hair, and then add an egg yolk for protein, and 2 tablespoons of yogurt to soften the hair, and a few droplets of lavender oil for repair. This is optional if your hair are not damaged. Make sure that the mixture are fine, because if the banana is not mixed finely, it might get stuck onto the hair. Now, wet your hair, towel dry, and apply from root to tips on every part of your hair. Use it as though you're applying shampoo all over your hair. Cover it and let it sit for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, rinse it with warm water and shampoo. This was how my hair looked like before the treatment. I noticed it looks quite dull and quite frizzy. And this is how my hair looked like after the treatment. I find that it is not just softer, but it's also more shining. After just one treatment, I'm quite satisfied with the result. What do you guys think? Did you see any improvement on my hair, or was it just the same? Let me know in your comment. In my opinion, I think if you want a better result, you should do this at least a few times. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this maybe to someone who might need this treatment.